Hey everyone, today I shall going to teach some leg stretching increasing beginners yoga technique. As simply that, believe me, after watching this session we all can do it. This session not only helps to remove belly fat and back pain but also helps to increasing belly flexibility. So let's start. Progression 1. Take the position and hold your right leg thumb and keep bending for a few seconds. Then do opposite side. Hold your left leg thumb and again bend for a few seconds. Well done. Now let's go to progression 2. Keep your hands on your head and pull and push like this. First right side, then left side. Progression 3. Now we do pull and push exercise alternatively. First right side, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now relax your legs. Progression 1. Straight your right leg in front of you. Hold your toe like I am doing. Hold it for 10 counts. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Then change your leg and again hold for 10 counts. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Progression 2. Keep your both legs in front and hold this position, then move to this push-up technique. This helps to grow mobility and it's tone your body. So keep pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. Progression 3. Touch your knees with opposite hand more frequently. Do it with me if you can. That helps to remove your side belly fat. Calm down. Sit in this position for some time and imagine your body is improving. Your flexibility is increasing. Hold this position. Slowly try to touch your nose on the floor. With this up and down procedure, okay, let's keep your hand on the floor. Again, try to touch your nose on the floor and hold it for few more seconds. Then relax your legs with these following steps. That's I am showing. Thanks for cooperating and watching this session. We will meet in next session.